The storm is about to arrive. Well, I am talking about Farhan Akhtar and Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra's sports drama Toofan. And while I catch up with the cast and know more about the film, you guys get your popcorn stock ready for the exclusive first show of the movie in the comfort of your homes this coming week. Hello everyone, I am Priya Jitani from Zee TV. And you are all on Zee Connect with me. So welcome you all. Welcome Ritesh, Rakesh ji, Farhan, Mrinal. We are so excited. We've been waiting for Toofan forever and it's finally releasing. So we can't wait to watch it. And I'm here to know all about the movie. Let's start with you, Rakesh ji. Tell me, why did you choose boxing as the backdrop of this movie? It could have been any other sport, right?
You're right. There could be any other sport and it could be something else you can express through, but boxing offered us the correct metaphor for telling the story. Not just physically, but also psychologically. As a boxer and as a fighter, when you enter the ring, one thing you're sure about, that you will get hit. You don't know how much you will hit the other guy, but you will definitely get hit. And you'll get blows and you'll fall down and you have to get up on your feet before the count of 10. And you have to take the blows and then go on from round 1 to round 2 to round 3 and go on. And then the person who stands till the end is the person who wins. I'm talking metaphorically. There are a lot of technicalities also, so not purely boxing speaking. Life is similar. Life is also will render you blows. Life will knock you down, but you have to get up. So boxing offered us that metaphor.
Moving to you, Farhan, when you train for a movie like this, how difficult is it to get the body language right of a sports person like that of a boxer to make it look believable?
Just to answer it as simply as I possibly can, if you want to get good at anything, it's just about application. At the end of it all, you have to give it time. You have to have the right people to trust who can make sure that you get to the goal that you're hoping to get to. Just be absolutely belligerently stubborn, about it. I think that's the only way to do it. And so it really is that you have to find ways to motivate yourself. You have to have the right people around you who will keep reminding you of why you're doing what you're doing. That's how you get there.
Mrinal, coming to you, you were the first and last person to be auditioned for the role of Dr. Ananya, am I right?
Yes.
What was the feeling like? You were picked right then and there. There was no need to look for anybody else.
The first time I met Rakesh sir, I didn't even know that I was playing the part. I didn't even know that he was offering me the film. So our first interaction, our first conversation was just about life and what are my aims and ambition, what do I want to do in future, what kind of films I want to do. And there were times the next week I ended up meeting the casting director of this film, Karan and Nandini, and I was wondering why is it taking so long to give me the scene, because she mentioned that you're the first person, we're trying to figure out which scene should we give you to audition. And I got really excited. I was like, and in my mind, I made that note that I know I'm the first one, but it has to be the last one as well. When sir told me, Mrinal, we would like you to be Ananya, I walked out on the streets very calm. But the moment I saw nobody was looking at me and my friend Sneha, my agent, we were like, yes, we did it,
And Ritesh, tell me, I know the initial plan was to do a theatrical release of the movie, but it came down to OTT. How difficult was that decision to make?
It was a difficult decision. We had announced the movie last year when we intended to release, but I think it's the best possible what you can do in the most safest way for people to watch the film. But having said that, I think it's been a blessing because we managed with Amazon to make sure this film reaches out to almost 240 countries. at the same time. Not only that, even within India, there are a lot of places where we've been noticing in the last few weeks, we've been getting response where there are no cinemas. You know, they don't exist in certain places, or people had to travel for almost 40 or 45 minutes. So I think looking at all that, you know, it's just been great for everyone to come and enjoy and celebrate this movie together.
Farhan, tell me, you're playing two different roles in the movie, that of a goon, Gunda, and of course that of a boxer. Was there a part you enjoyed the most out of the two?
No, I can't say that I enjoyed one more than the other. I mean, both had their own sets of fun times and challenges. But I mean, I've just loved the experience. You know, honestly, I think maybe you were a part of the earlier conversation that we were having. There's a part of you that doesn't want certain experiences to end. You know that they have to. I mean, of course they will. But I do miss all of it. I really do. It was a very enjoyable time in my life making this film. So whether it was as Ajju Bhai and having fun being him, or just the focus and discipline and the strength that was needed to get through being Aziz Ali and being not just physically but emotionally, it's a crazy journey. So all of it was thoroughly enjoyable.
I'm sure it was a crazy journey. You even have gone through a body transformation in the movie. Was it like very difficult to have an athletic body and then gaining weight again?
Yeah, the gaining weight actually was the tough part. You know, because you've stayed fit for so long. You're probably I was probably in one of the best conditions that I've physically been in for a while. And the mind was just refusing to let it go. You know, we had 3 months to put on roughly about 12 to 14 kgs. And I was trying my best, doing whatever I could do, eating as many, 3,000 plus calories a day. But beyond a certain point, the body was refusing to respond because I think the mind was refusing to let go. So it just took a lot of, I don't know, just an inner battle, and finally to overcome, saying just let it be, we'll find our way back, you know, when the time comes. And then things started happening, but that was tough. It's not easy to eat that much food when you're not used to it, you know, and to have to put on that much weight that quickly. I had many friends who volunteered saying that let us coach you for this part of the film because we're very good at it, but I couldn't match up to their culinary skills, unfortunately.
Mrinal, you've started practicing mixed martial arts post Tufan. What inspired you to do that?
Sitting here right next to me. Well, you know, while I was filming, I always wondered what it feels like to wear gloves, what it feels like to get into the ring. You know, I was learning a skill as well, and I have to be ready for Tufan too, you know.
But tell me, preparing for Dr. Ananya, what was the training like? I mean, it must be very different from what Farhan was doing.
Yes, it was so different. I would sit with Raman, you know, who's helping me with how to hold the scissors and, you know, how to put stitches. And the first time they gave me a banana and they're like, put stitches on the banana. And I was like, what? And they're like, this is exactly how it's done. So I first learned how to put stitch. They would cut the banana in 2 parts and they would like just stitch the skin. And there were times where I would just end up like pulling the thread so hard that, you know, the banana would just like tear apart. So the next thing I get to know is exactly this you're going to be doing on Ajju Bhai. You know, you're going to stitch the wound. My hand was shivering. At the same time, it was my scene. My first scene with Farhan is where I'm putting stitches on his right eye, and I got so scared because I had to deliver the dialogues at the same time. I was really. No, it was actually the glass scene. The glass scene. There was a glass stuck in his head, and I kept pulling his hair. Thank God Farhan is blessed with amazing hair. Otherwise, I would be screwed. That would have been my last day on set. But this was just a part of Ananya. I think the most challenging part when it comes to Ananya was the strength. You know, in order to give strength, you need to have that strength within you.
As I said, very, very excited for the movie coming up. And thank you so much for talking to us, all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.